Welcome to another video, everyone. In today's video, I will be telling you why you should use your controller. Not why you should use your controller, but why you should always clean your controller. Obviously, you all know that we are in a pandemic right now, and cleaning everything is really helpful. So, that's reason one. To honestly just keep the germs off. You're touching this almost all day, and then you just don't clean it anytime. So, yeah. But in this gameplay right here, I just cleaned my controller. So, and I honestly feel like it's way cleaner, and not like the controller itself, but my edits and overall how I play now. It just feels way better, and honestly, it just helps so much if you clean your controller. Now, reason 3 is because honestly, you should use this isn't reason 3. We already passed over the reasons. This is what you should do if you're going to clean your controller. So first, you want to get a wet paper towel. So I would recommend putting it in for 1 second, so the water doesn't go through it like the whole time, and it just doesn't happen like that. So honestly, I would not put it in there and just leave it there for a minute. I would literally just put it in there for a good second, count to 1, and then boom. Because if you don't, you might damage your controller. Or the other way you could do it, which is actually probably the easier one, is use a Clorox wipe. Now this is the thing that you use to clean dust at school and a bunch of stuff like that. And these, they won't damage your controllers. It will actually clean it better than actual water. And like I said before, look at the gameplay. I'm better than ever right now because I cleaned my controller. It hasn't been cleaned in around a month. And you just don't think about doing it. I think that most people would clean their controller if it's sticky somehow, or if it's just has a bunch of Dorito bites on it or something. One of those two, that's what I would think people would usually clean their controllers because of that. And honestly, those are good reasons. But just clean your controller averagely around every week. It helps your gameplay, it helps you get better. It also helps you make sure you don't get sick. And honestly, it just is overall good. Now, let's see. What else can we do? Okay, so one thing that we have to talk about is how you're going to make sure that you clean it. Now, I do this with Xbox controllers. I don't know if you could do it with PS4. Obviously you could clean it, but I don't know if you could clean it without getting it damaged. That's what I mean. Because I did it with my Xbox controller. Everything is perfectly fine. So I think it's the same with PS4. But I would not wet the tap screen. I don't know what the PS4 people call it. I play on Xbox. So I would not wet that because that overall would probably make it harder to edit if you do edit with what is it called? It's called touchpad. If you do edit with touchpad, I would not wet it that much. Or at least put a Clorox wipe, because those things don't have that much water. And then I would still put it out above a sink or something. So anyways, hopefully you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, like and subscribe. It would really mean a lot, because we are getting close to 80. Obviously, we already reached our goal for the year, and that's just insane. I want to thank you all that decided to subscribe. We were at around 20 subscribers when this year started, and to have 70 in 1 year, that's just amazing. Thank you all so much for watching, and overall, bye, peace, and enjoy the gameplay. Still got one more round. Bye, peace.